East Coast Trev from the Outdoor Drive podcast. I'm here today. I want to do a sound file on my Nor'easter game calls Flame Box Elderburl. I don't know. It's a tongue twister. It's the Flame Box Elderburl call from Nor'easter Game Calls. It was a custom-made call that Mark Buzzle made for me. I got it halfway through the season, and I'm super impressed with this call. We killed a pile of geese over it. The sound is absolutely incredible. I'm so pumped about it, and I want to share this with you so you guys can all listen and hear this file. I'm a little bit different of a caller, deep growler, and this thing will have the highs, the lows, the moans, the groans, a little bit of everything. So here it is. Get yourself one, nor'eastergamecalls.com. Check them out on Instagram, Facebook. You can see this thing up close and personal. And have them build your call. Get them in close. Nor'easter Game Calls.